Peace and love, family. So, making a video while I'm driving. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but how do we manifest with SHREEM BRZEE? Right? SHREEM BRZEE isn't working. What's going on? So, sorry, it's construction. But this is what I've come to learn 6 years into SHREEM BRZEE, right? And this is coming from a pranic healer. This is key, family. This is key. My goodness, this is the main reason why people aren't manifesting with SHREEM BRZEE. This is the main reason, right? It is because of karma and your energy. Karma and your energy. My prosperity healing series, my money manifestation boot camp, all my stuff that I give to people to help them make money, right? This is why it's working, because it's solving those two problems that you might not even know that you have, right? You can get rich from SHREEM BRZEE by itself, right? For free. My programs are so powerful because it's incorporating these two things. The energy side of things and the karmic side of things. You don't know where your karma's at. Everybody has money karma, right? Everybody has karma. There's a bunch of different types of karma you have. Money karma, right? That's affecting your prosperity, right? What does that mean? What does money karma mean? Like all the stuff that you do and say on the daily. Oh, I'm broke, I'm broke. You're singing songs that have, you know, negative thought forms about money. Oh, you know. So that's keeping you broke, right? That's stacking up more negative money karma. You saying on the daily, oh, I can't afford that. Oh, I don't have enough money for that, right? All those, that's stacking up more negative thought forms about karma. That's holding you back. That's more negative money karma. Also, right, these bodies are just physical shells, right? If you can think so in a sense, it's just like a car, right? Every car isn't the same. Every physical body isn't the same, right? Your physical body, you know, had parents, had grandparents, and all these other people whose DNA and energy, whose physical thought forms and stuff, and whose karma affects my karma. So whatever your grandparents, your parents, and all that stuff was doing, aka you're born into a poor family, you're low-key at a financial disadvantage, you know? You have more negative money karma than the average person because you're born into a poor family. So at an early age, you get implanted with those thought forms about money that are negative. You know, you grow up with your parents saying, oh, I can't afford this. Oh, yep, we're getting evicted again. Oh, my goodness. Oh, if it ain't one thing, it's another, right? All those thought forms are getting implanted into your chakras and into your aura, and they have to be removed. Otherwise, they're going to keep you from making money, right? This is why I say your basic chakra has to be big, strong, and healthy. When we have all these negative thought forms about money, that's where they're located, in the basic chakra. And they keep it small, weak, and blocked, and all messed up. And that's what's preventing you from making money, right? That's what all my programs solve. They heal that basic chakra so you can finally, probably if you never have, for the first time, you're making money now, right? Because it's healing that basic chakra. It's getting to the root of the problem. No pun intended, you know, root chakra, basic chakra, right? It's getting to the root of the chakra. So, your karma, right? And then you have, you know, you live in a poor area. You're seeing poor people all day talk about poor stuff, you know, and that's all this stuff's affecting you, right? So, your energy, so that's the karmic side of things, right? You know, a little bit out of your control, kind of, quote unquote, but you know, not really, right? It's a whole nother talk though about karma. But energetically, right? Energy, that basic chakra, like I said, any millionaires, billionaires, if you could see energy, right? I'm trying to tell you, you know, this from the energetic side of things, right? This is coming from a pranic healer family. Understand that this is what it would look like if you could see energy. You looked into a room full of millionaires and billionaires. They all would have a big basic chakra because they have a lot of money, and the two go hand in hand. You can't have a big basic chakra without having a lot of money. You can't have a lot of money without having a big basic chakra, right? That's what all my programs do for you. But you can do this for free. You can do this yourself. Exercise naturally cleanses the chakras and the aura and makes those chakras bigger, right? Twin Hearts meditation. Oh my goodness. If you know me and you ain't doing Twin Hearts by now, I ain't doing my job. Twin Hearts, Twin Hearts, Twin Hearts. This is the root of everything, you know, the basis of anything I'm teaching you, right? Twin Hearts meditation is gonna enhance everything, heal everything. It's gonna be a big part of it. So Twin Hearts meditation for us, you know, as far as money goes and SHREEM BRZEE, right? For us, that means it's, you know, it heals a bunch of stuff, but for us, it's healing our prosperity problems. It's healing that basic chakra, right? Twin Hearts meditation is, you know, channeling is pulling down a divine, you know, a tremendous amount of divine spiritual energy, flooding your chakras with it, cleaning them out, removing all those negative thought forms about money so you can finally make some, right? So Twin Hearts meditation is key. This is the big factor. This is the big reason why my results in my channel might look a little different than the average SHREEM BRZEE person maybe, because I'm doing Twin Hearts. And I know, you know, I learned from the pranic healing side of things that whatever you do is dictated by your energy. So however strong your SHREEM BRZEEs are going to be is dictated by your energy and your chakras and your aura. So if you have a small basic chakra and you have a small aura, you're going to have small results, right? This is why I don't have to think. I do my Twin Hearts every day. I do my SHREEM BRZEEs and the money comes, right? I was making money just with SHREEM BRZEE before I knew about this stuff. Now that I have, you know, Twin Hearts meditation and the pranic healing side of things, I'm making even more money. So, like I said, bottom line, if you ain't having results with SHREEM BRZEE, you're not doing enough. But if you feel like you're doing a whole lot and you really are, you know, maybe, you know, and you're doing thousands of SHREEM BRZEEs a day, you know, for years maybe, and you're still not seeing nothing, this is the solution to that problem. This will be pretty much guaranteed results. Twin Hearts meditation, add that to the mix and you should see results, because it's going to solve that energy problem. You don't have enough energy, so it's going to make your basic chakra and your aura stronger and bigger. And then boom, it's also removing negative karma. Twin Hearts removes karma. SHREEM BRZEE removes negative karma as well. But if you ain't having results, you might have a lot. So the Twin Hearts will, you know, remove that negative karma even more powerfully than the SHREEM BRZEE will. So Twin Hearts meditation and exercise, and always exercise before and after meditation, family. It's powerful stuff. So the physical body, you know, is like a, you know, is like a copper wire. And energy is like electricity, you know. And that copper wire got to be of a high degree of purity and cleaned out, and, you know, to be able to withstand all that electricity flowing through it. So your physical body got to be cleaned out so it can conduct that, all that energy that's going to be flowing through you. Otherwise, you're going to be jumping around, twitching, glitching. You're going to be uncomfortable. It's going to be hurting while you're meditating. Exercise, you know. If you can't sit and make it through a Twin Hearts meditation, you're not able to, you might want to take a few days off, maybe a week, and just exercise and do a bunch of pranic healing sessions on yourself and clean yourself out. Your chakras and your channels are all clogged up, most likely, and that energy can't flow properly, so you need to clean it out, you know, and cleanse first. Cleanse if you can't make it through a Twin Hearts meditation. But if you can, do it every day. Like I said, exercise before and after meditation, mainly after. Don't do heavy weightlifting after meditation, right? That's not what I mean when I say exercise. Heavy weightlifting, it constricts the channels and the chakras and the, you know, but yeah, light exercise, just move that energy around so it doesn't get congested and, you know, clog up your chakras and, you know, cause discomfort. And yeah, all right, family, love y'all, peace.